all started at my friend's party.
That's me. My name really isn't that important.
Mary, I just hope I survived the test long enough to be able to explain to you in person.
I'm Sally Goodman. Lately, freaky things have been happening to us.
Well, this is my first experiment by myself.
Have you guys played the Midnight Game? It's this game that started out as an old pagan ritual.
I'm not sure, but I'm writing this down on paper and not on my computer.
Let me start out by saying that I am not a paranormal investigator. I am an author.
I've been looking at this house at the edge of town. They call it the No End House.
Did someone ever feel like me? People don't understand me and call me a monster.
Subject number 001.
My name is Henry Goodman. I don't know how long I have left.
Hey everyone, John Goodman here.
My name is Henry Goodman. Yes, I am related to John Goodman, the man who was haunted by the ghost hag. I don't know how long I have left, so I'm here to tell you about something that happened to me. It's strange. Both me and John's problems happened when we bought something off eBay. I just hope nothing happens to Sally. I was planning a weekend getaway with my girlfriend, Jenny, and I wanted to get our trip on film. I just moved away from my siblings and into this new house on Wendell Lane, so I had no idea where anything was. Great. Unfortunately, our video camera was broken, so we had to either get a new one or just take photos instead. So I went on eBay to see if anybody was selling a new one. Long story short, I found one for cheap and bid on it. Finally! What's this? A tape? Oh, it couldn't hurt to look.
And there we go.
No, get that out of my face.
Oh, come on, Alice, don't be shy.
I don't want to be filmed right now.
Oh, but it'll be so cute. It's the right day.
It appeared to be someone's home video of a date. It was kind of cute, to be honest. They were obviously happy together and having a wonderful time. I kind of felt bad for the previous owner, though, losing something this precious.
Oh, that was so adorable. You did it. Come on. This is gonna be great. Trust me. It's like when we're down the road and oh, come on. Seriously? God damn it. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Hello?
Hey, Henry, I'm bored. Can you come over?
Yeah.
Is everything okay? It sounds like you can hardly breathe.
Yeah. Everything's fine. I'll be over in a bit.
Okay, okay. Love you.
Love you too. I went to Jenny's house and spent the rest of the day there. She really helped me take my mind off things. I don't think she suspected a thing. I then returned home where I began to have the strangest dreams. What the hell? No way. Oh my god. Who are you? What are you doing?
Come with me, Henry.
Where are we going? Where are we?
And there we go.
Who are you? Get that out of my face. What are you looking at? Hey! What are you doing? Why are you filming this?
Zero, 8, 0, 5, 1, 2, 1, 6, 1, 3, 0, 5, 1, 6, 1, 2, 0, 5, 0, 1, 1, 9, 0, 5,